Hi, welcome to Mad for Mondays. And I have a special guest with me all the way from Singapore, and he's going to let you know who he is and what he does to make a difference on a Monday.
Hi everyone, my name is Chang and I'm from Singapore. I'm a connectivity coach. I help people to draw out the best in them, help them to engage so that they can engage others using draw. Drawing is my passion and I coach people how they can use drawing as a way to engage others easily.
Wow, I love that. So it's all about engaging others. And you know what?
Yes.
We've all heard a picture paints and even says 1,000 words, doesn't it? So,
Yes.
and that's what you do. And I also know that you work with corporates, you work with young people. So getting that creativity out and getting that message out, it makes a difference. And actually,
Yes.
you speak a lot on this too. What is the name of your talk?
Okay, the name of my talk is called "It is Okay to Make Mistakes."
It is okay to make mistakes. And I think that's a perfect thing that we will leave everyone with to make a difference. It's okay to make mistakes. And whether we make mistakes in life, at work, we get a choice to be able to fix that mistake and to learn from those mistakes as well. So I love that. And in drawings, the same things happen. It's okay if we make a mistake. Thank you so much for joining us today. And if anyone wants to get in touch with you or even run a session with you, how do they do that?
Oh, they can check out my Facebook page, which is called The Art of Flip Chart, or they can visit my YouTube called Chang the Drawer. These two
Oh,
things.
wow. Chung
Yes.
the drawer. Fantastic. Well, I want to thank you so very much for being with us here today. And everybody out there, wishing you a wonderful Monday and all the very best. Keep on making a difference. Speak
Yes,
soon.
thank you very much, Catherine Molloy. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.